Welcome back to Remitano Learn, your go-to show for all the crypto knowledge you need. In today's episode, we'll be diving into two fascinating stories from the world of cryptocurrencies. First up, we have Litecoin, followed by a surprising development with Ethereum. Let's get started. Litecoin, also known as LTC, experienced significant fluctuations in April. However, these price movements did not hinder its investors from reaping substantial profits. Recent metrics indicate that over 50% of LTC investors are currently enjoying profits. In the first quarter of 2023, Litecoin recorded a solid growth of 27.9%, and it has already consolidated an additional 1.84% in the second quarter. These data points were collected by CryptoRank and Into the Block. But what exactly is LTC? Litecoin is one of the oldest cryptocurrencies in the market, created nearly 12 years ago and launched on October 7, 2011. Originally designed as an alternative to Bitcoin, Litecoin aimed to gain traction among users seeking faster and more efficient transactions for smaller amounts. According to Into the Block, LTC holders are currently reaping substantial profits. It's worth noting that Litecoin is the 12th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. From late April to early May, Litecoin's price remained within a well-defined range, fluctuating between $70 and $92. Despite these price fluctuations, the coin's growth in the first quarter of the year is undeniable. LTC holders saw a remarkable 57% increase in their investments. However, not all investors have realized profits yet, as only 36% of them have not registered gains with the coin. The highest price LTC reached, according to CoinMarketCap, was $412, nearly 5 times the current price range. On the technological front, LTC is making significant strides. It recently incorporated the LTC20 standard, enabling the creation of NFTs, non-fungible tokens. LTC20 is a derivative of the BRC20 standard, which allows token minting. These tokens can operate on the Litecoin network and possess their own embedded smart contracts. Additionally, it's important to mention that Litecoin is approaching a halving event, likely to take place in August 2023. This process could potentially contribute to the coin's price growth. Now, let's shift our focus to Ethereum and explore a fascinating development surrounding its token supply. On May 26, the quantity of Ethereum tokens on exchanges worldwide plummeted to levels not seen in the past 5 years. According to blockchain data specialist Glassnode, a mere 14.85% of the total ETH supply currently remains on hot wallets within exchanges. This marks a significantly lower percentage compared to the 25% seen during the 2021 bull run. The decline in token supply also affected Ethereum wallet addresses holding over 100 tokens, reaching new lows specifically for the past 6 months. Why is this happening? Several factors contribute to this decrease, with two main catalysts being the FTX exchange collapse and the Shapella upgrade. Firstly, as mentioned earlier, the FTX exchange collapse played a pivotal role in investors' behavior towards ETH. Fearing the worst, investors transferred their coins from exchanges to cold wallets or self-custody wallets. Secondly, the Shapella upgrade enabled Ethereum validators to withdraw their locked tokens. However, contrary to expectations, most validators only withdrew their profits and not all their tokens. The movement of these tokens out of exchanges is viewed as an incredibly positive sign for ETH's price. Users appear reluctant to sell at the current price, suggesting they anticipate higher gains in the medium and long term. The exchanges that experienced the most significant withdrawal activity were Binance, Bitfinex, and Kraken, all of which supported the Shapella upgrade on the Ethereum network. According to Glassnode's second report, less than 1% of the withdrawn tokens are expected to be sold. This suggests that a significant portion of the withdrawn tokens has directly returned to staking as locked assets. And there you have it. The latest insights on Litecoin's profitable investors and the surprising exodus of Ethereum tokens from exchanges. Join us next time on Remitano Learn for more fascinating stories from the world of cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to follow us on our other social media. And if you're new to Remitano, don't forget to register through the link in the description.